Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining in this morning. We're going to do a quick audio check. So we're going to be using the question panel on the right side of your screen throughout this webinar. So please, if you can let us know if the audio is loud and clear. We'll be using the question panel, and you will find this on the right side of your screen. If you can let us know if the audio it's loud and clear. Mr. Pedro, thank you so much. We're seeing people from Guyana, Haiti, Aruba. Thank you so much for joining in this morning. So now we're just going to wait a couple of minutes for everyone to join in. We want to invite you to download the Ruijie app. And with this app, you will be able to check all of the features from Ruijie. So throughout the webinar, we'll be using the app. If you can start downloading now, and then at the end of the webinar, we'll be scanning a QR code to get more features. So if you have an Android or iPhone phone, you can go to the stores and start downloading the app. Mr. Ruiz, good morning. So we have on screen the Ruijie app. This is the app that we'll be reviewing throughout the webinar. And if you can start downloading now the app, it will be great because at the end of the webinar, we'll be scanning a QR code so you can check all the features about how to create your projects in the app. Well, I think now we're ready to start. Hello, everyone. Welcome for your time this morning. We have our webinar, Increase Your Revenue with Ruijie Networks. Just a quick reminder, this webinar will be recorded and sent to your email right after the webinar. I would like to welcome Felix Xu, who is directly from Ruijie Networks and who will be our presenters for today's webinar. Please send us all of your questions during the webinar. We'll be using the question panel on the right side of your screen, and we'll be answering throughout the webinar. Also, at the end of the webinar, we'll have a Q&A panel for all your questions. If you may have a project coming up, also please let us know. We have our engineering team ready to help you. Okay, for those of you just joining in, welcome. And Felix, I think now we are ready to start.
Okay, thank you, Victor. Good morning, my partners, dear partners. I'm Felix from Ruijie, channel manager in Latin America. It's my great honor to make a presentation here for you all. Today, I'm going to show you who is Ruijie and how could Ruijie help you with your business. Later, I will show you the function with Ruijie app. So, for your real experience for Ruijie cloud function during demonstration, please download Ruijie Cloud application on your phone and register before we start. Maybe we can have 2 minutes to wait for it.
Please let us know in the question panel if you may have an issue downloading the app. We'll be happy to help you or check any issue that you may have downloading the app. We're going to give about 1 or 2 minutes just to wait for you to download the app so you can follow up Felix throughout the webinar. All right. I think now we're ready to continue, Felix.
Yeah. Today we will have four parts. Sorry. At the first part, I will tell you who Ruijie is and the achievements and abilities of Ruijie company. Firstly, let me show you a video which briefly introduced Ruijie.
What can you do with 1 minute? Blink a dozen times, read 0.2 pages of a book, or walk 0.04 miles. 1 minute seems insignificant. What else can be done in 1 minute? Download 3 4K movies. Transfer thousands of high-definition medical images. Or hit 10 billion yuan in online sales. You can make a big difference in just 1 minute. Ruijie Networks success is also the sum of efforts accumulated in countless 1 minute. As an information and communications technology infrastructure and industry solution provider, Ruijie has always been committed to fully integrating technology into scenarios, helping users in various industries achieve digital transformation and value innovation worldwide. Ruijie has 59 branches, more than 5,000 employees, and more than 10,000 partners. It has registered a compound annual growth rate of more than 30%. In its 6 R&D centers, Ruijie invests more than 16% of sales revenue and engages more than 50% of personnel in R&D every year. The company has established a whole industry chain business model that integrates R&D, production, sales, and delivery. Ruijie has a total of 1,054 patents. It participated in the formulation of several national standards and communications industry standards, and has received high attention and support from the government. In Ruijie, we are devoted to crafting essential and practical products and solutions for users. Ruijie specializes in network devices, network security, and cloud desktops, and has 10 product lines and more than 400 products. In the field of network devices, Ruijie took the lead in the data center market and became the first in the industry to launch 100 gig data center core switches and provide 25 gig, 100 gig data center solutions. Considering the characteristics of data centers, Ruijie adopts a self-developed open hardware and software architecture to decouple software from hardware, taking the early lead in the market. Ruijie provides services for multiple clients, including the world's top internet companies and China's 3 major telecom operators. Ruijie took the lead in introducing commercially available Wi-Fi 6 products and has the largest Wi-Fi 6 product shipment. Its intelligent wireless service solution has helped 450 million users build digitalized and visualized wireless networks. In the field of network security, to ensure the security of the entire network, Ruijie builds a linkage system that integrates networks and security, creating a more secure network environment. Our software and hardware security products, such as Ruijie Security Gateways, next-generation firewalls, situation awareness platforms, and identity management platforms have helped numerous customers to enhance network security, including more than 70 national ministries and commissions, more than 2,000 local government users, more than 1,000 healthcare units, more than 1,600 universities, and thousands of large and medium-sized enterprises. In the field of cloud desktop, Ruijie is the first to apply desktop virtualization technology in computer classrooms by launching the Cloud Class solution. The company also provides a unique solution that integrates virtual desktop infrastructure and intelligent desktop virtualization, allowing cloud desktop to adapt to various scenarios and ultimately supplant commercial PCs. Cloud desktop terminal shipments reach more than 2 million units. ranking first in both the VDI and IDV enterprise class terminal markets. Today, Ruijie serves more than 50 countries and regions around the world. In government affairs, Ruijie leverages information technology to simplify public administration. The implementation of e-government brings increased benefits to citizens and gives a full play in every important moment. In telecommunications, Ruijie cooperates with major operators to break bottlenecks and create a world where everyone and everything can be connected. In finance, Ruijie uses secure networks to ensure property safety, promoting digital innovation and upgrades. In healthcare, Ruijie uses efficient networks to help save lives and strengthen public health. In the manufacturing industry, Ruijie uses intelligent networks to accelerate the upgrade of smart manufacturing. In education, Ruijie works with teachers and students to empower classrooms with technology, conceiving a future through smart education. Ruijie Networks continuously brings momentum into the new infrastructure. Scenario innovation drives the digital future.
Okay, I think now you have already know something about Ruijie. In order to know all of you, I generated a code, and please open your Ruijie Cloud app, and you can click Mine in the right corner, and then you can find the scan icon in the up right corner. Please scan the QR code on the screen to leave your contact. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, time's up. Here we go. Ruijie Company is founded in 2000 with 22 years experience in network sector. Now we have more than 7,000 colleagues and 20,000 partners in more than 15 countries. Why Ruijie is a leading ICT solution provider? In this chat, you can find a reason. Ruijie has 7 R&D centers in China. About 3,500 employees are assigned to R&D. Every year, we invest 16% of the sales revenue in R&D. Among them, there are 30% R&D funds are used for research. Now, we have more than 2,500 innovation patents. Here, we can find parts of national honors granted by China government. Most worthy of mention is that Ruijie is selected as the first batch of national innovative enterprise in China in 2008. And this year, there were only 91 companies selected in total. Besides, Ruijie is also a postdoctoral research workstation. That's what brings Ruijie fast growth. In 2021, sales revenue of Ruijie is more than 2 billion USD. The growth rate is 37%. In last 20 years, the growth rate of Ruijie never stops. The compound annual growth rate is 30%. Now let's check the achievements of Ruijie in China market. Here you can see, according to IDC reports, Ruijie is a top 1 in Wi-Fi 6 product shipment in last 3 years. In China enterprise class VLAN market, Ruijie owns the second largest market share. Meanwhile, Ruijie is the top 3 in China Ether switch market. In last 6 years, Ruijie remains the top in Chinese enterprise class terminal VDI market. Ruijie is well recognized not only in China market, also in the world. From the Get No Magic quadrant, you can find Ruijie is the top 3 vendor in China. As we know, there are big problems with the production lead time among most vendors since the pandemic. Ruijie has 23 independent production lines and 56,000 square meters new product factory. If we go to Ruijie factory, we can find these self-developed machines with its own technology, which ensure the quality of Ruijie products. From the other side, here we can find out that Ruijie has rich leading supplier resources of each component. For these reasons, Ruijie has been highly recognized by customers of various industries. For example, Alibaba, TikTok, DHL, China Mobile, Tencent. By the way, Tencent is a company who owns the application WeChat. China Mobile is the biggest telecom carrier in China. And also in Latin America, we have some successful cases as well. Here you can see, this is our cases in Colombia. As you know, Ruijie started expand market in Latin America only 2 years ago. Opportunities always belong to first comers. It's not later to join us now. You will be the first who enjoy the fruits of Ruijie victory in recent years. Okay, there are many information about Ruijie company. If you are interested more, please contact me.
Thank you, Felix.
Now,
Can we go back to the QR code? A few of the attendees are asking us if we can go back really quick just to get a grab of the QR code and download the app.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. We already are going to be sending this QR code to the WhatsApp group throughout Estefania. So we are ready to continue.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why Ruijie is a better choice for you. Here you can see the business and product strategy of Ruijie. Ruijie has full product line for your choice. Ruijie Enterprise aims to the high-end enterprise market with high performance product and competitive price. The competitors at this level are Cisco, HP, Huawei, and Lucas. And also you can see at middle line, you can find another brand named Ruijie. For SMB market, we have this sub-brand named Ruijie, whose competitors are mainly Ubiquiti, MikroTik, TP-Link. But you can find that Ruijie is not the low-end brand. He is at the middle end, which mainly focus on small SMB business. You might be confused. How could Ruijie compete with these other brands? Let's keep this question. Here you can find the product family of Ruijie Enterprise products. We have access controllers, manager switches, manager access point, and also the security gates in Ruijie Enterprise brand. And also, Ruijie has unmanaged and managed switches, access points, routers, and home Wi-Fi. Have you all find anything in common among these products? Yes, most of them are cloud managed. You might say, then what? It takes a lot of money to buy license. It's not cost effective. But what if I tell you it is all for free? That's exactly the unique value compared with other vendors. Here from this chart, you can see the comparison. Ruijie Cloud is lifetime free and with unlimited capacity without any controller. Later, I will show you how you could save your money and your time to satisfy your clients. Based on this value, Ruijie and Ruijie provide different scenarios-based solutions for you. Here you can see retail, smart IP surveillance, small office, education. Now you can see the warranty support. Ruijie provides 3 or 5 years warranty for different series products as we were confident in our product quality. Furthermore, we provide various of after-sales services to resolve these technical problems from clients. Here we can find the Ruijie intelligent robot, local ASP service, and also online support, on-site support. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what benefits you could get if you become a Ruijie partner. Here you can see the channel structure. From different tiers partners, Ruijie provide different prices. Here I need to mention that the price is fixed. Every partner should strictly follow up the price rules to keep the health partner ecosystem. We hope every Ruijie partner could increase his business revenue together with Ruijie. The second point that I want to mention is that we protect partners' interest because Ruijie never sell to end user directly. Here you can find some general incentives for partners. We have exclusive price for different tiers partners, and we also for our sub-distributors, we have sales rebate, demo support, and we have only also marketing fund, product promotion, and price protection, and also and also the certification trainings. For partner empowerment, we provide e-learning and portal platform where there are lots of resources for you. Besides, for your questions, we have Leader for you as your personal technical assistant. She could figure out the questions of most of your the answers of most of your questions. Moreover, we have regular trainings for pre-sales engineer and also certification program for post-sales engineers, and soon there will be certification program for lecturers. We're talking about the marketing. We do a lot of workshops and backpacks with our partners together. In addition, there are also social media and partner express. Also free materials, support, and so on. Okay, finally, we come to the last part. Here, I will show you how powerful and how you could save your time and money to complete a project, do a troubleshooting remotely. Firstly, let's watch a video and find if you face the same situation that the main character Jack was facing.
Network contractor, one-man business. See, these are the key words of Jack's life. Since he started his business, he has been accustomed to turning on the computer 24 hours a day, answering every call as soon as possible, sleeping in the place where he works, and working where he lives. As a network contractor, Jack always wants to satisfy every customer. He completes all projects from installation and debugging, operation and maintenance, to post-sale services all on his own. But it does not always have positive feedback. Excessive busyness and exhaustion of energy have given him no time for new customers. He often asks himself how to change the current situation. Reject small customers and only work for large customers. Increase project fees. Recruit and increase manpower. Until one day, the feature of the cloud demo kit is the simplicity and ease of use. Even dummies can easily build a network on the mobile phone and also remotely maintain and manage it in the cloud. This feature solves Jack's big problem. Recommending and testing Ruijie's solution among several indecisive customers. They commented that the experience was excellent and the application was very stable, which gave Jack huge confidence. In the pre-sales phase, he can easily create a video and audio according to the scenarios. During deployment, ordering networking can be achieved before Ruijie wireless products, switches, and gateways. A topology can be automatically generated on the mobile app. In the post-sales phase, remote operation and maintenance can be performed via the mobile phone, thereby saving a lot of time. Ruijie has true user costs and maximize the profits, offering Jack the best sales experience. Together with Ruijie, Jack lights up hope, business performance, and writes the future with achievements.
Here you can find the meaning of Ruijie. Redefine your easy network. Okay, how do you feel about it? Impressive, maybe, right? Now, I will ask some questions. Please think about in your mind with this your answer, and then we will find out how Ruijie helps. First, how long it takes you to make a project quotation. Second, how long it takes you to make a report with all project details, including topology. The third one, how long it takes if clients ask you to make a comparison with other brands. The next one, how long it takes for network organization for brand that you are cooperating with. The fifth, what would you do if you need 1,000 access points into your current network? Scan them manually one by one. Next, what would you do if your clients call you to figure out networking problems? Will you go on site to another city for troubleshooting? The last one, if you have a camera is offline, but you don't know the reason, will you go on site directly? Or what would you do? What if there is a loop in your network? but you don't know which port is in loop. Will you go there directly to another city to check? Okay, finally, the last one. If you have an office project, the boss of this company want to block all entertainment applications such as YouTube, Facebook during the work time. If he won't pay for this advanced function, will you lose this project? Okay, all the answers, all the questions here, and I will, together with you, find out all the answers in Ruijie Cloud application. Please open your app and let's check together. Give me 1 minute, sorry. I will connect to the Zoom and show you. Sorry, a little bit slow on my web.
Well, Felix, let us know if you need any assistance. Seems like we're still on the webinar, right?
Yes. Sorry.
No, don't
There's
worry.
some, yeah. There's some problem with my internet. Sorry.
No problem. Thank you, everyone. Please, if you have any questions from the information that we've been reviewing throughout the webinar, we are using the question panel to answer all of your questions. Also, if you want to send any information to Stefania or Mr. Pedro, please just do it directly through WhatsApp, and we'll be happy to help you with our engineering team. Great. Now we're seeing your screen, Felix.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, now we're seeing it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry for it.
Not a problem.
Okay. Okay. Let's come to the first question. The first question, how long it takes you to make a project quotation? Here, please open your application as well. Here at the product and left corner, product. You can find all our products here. And let me show you. I will add 1, 2 here. Then next, for example, it's a hotel project. Then we can find 3 different range options for you and for your customers: middle range, high end, and low end. And also, you can find all the features here and topology. And you can add your information here. And then, for example, Felix, Ruijie. Okay. Then you can send all this BON list to your customers. For example, I will send it to. Now you can see the name of hotel, and here you can change. Here you can find a company name, contact, and your phone, and also all the informations are here. And you can also change your logo into your company logo. Here, it's very simple for you. You just need to change the price here. Then you can send to your customers. Okay, that's bad. What if you don't know which model to choose? Don't worry. Here, for example, here, two, you can see the VS, right? Add two V's. Okay. You can find all the comparison of our products here. And if you want to just show difference, you can take show difference here. Yeah. And you can also show to your partners or maybe your colleges. And then what if you want to, if your pre-sales engineer don't know, and maybe or your sales engineer, they don't know much about the network, don't worry. Here, we have an AI BON. The app will help you. For example, we set up project, hotel, here, hotel. And here you can find how many wells we need to add. For example, 50. Then cameras, maybe 100. And we then here single room, 15. Door opener error, maybe 30. Clients, 100. And also auto error. For example, 10 and 100. Okay, now let's check. So you get 3 different BONs for you. Mid-range, high-end, low-end. Now let's choose use. And you can find the features here and topology, export to Excel. Example. Yeah, you can find all the information here. What you need to do is just change your logo and add the price and send to customers. That's very simple for you. And what if you are experienced and you don't want to use the recommend for you? You have another choice here. You can do it all by yourself. Example. Yeah. We can choose. And also we can firstly compare compare these models and show difference. Okay. Here. Okay, here we come to the second question. How long it takes if clients ask you to make a comparison with other brands? Here, the second column, you can find the Salesforce. Let's click in, for example, wireless. You can find all the comparisons with our product and with other brands. For example, this one. Can you see it? You can download, and also you can just show to your friend or your clients by different maybe WhatsApp, or maybe just send email, whatever. Here you can see all the product indoors, outdoors, bridge, walls, and also switch, router, Wi-Fi, cloud. Everything are here. Now, if you have a question and it's urgent, don't worry. Here you can find in the project, you can find tech support. It's leader. For example, let me choose first question. Gateway on Wi-Fi. Okay. Gateway. Maximum numbers of clients. Okay, you can see the answers. So it's a pocket personal assistant for you. And maybe you can type your questions. We switch. Yeah, you can find different questions. For example, how to backup switch setting on cloud. Yeah, you can find the answers. And also here, you can find the live chat. Input your name and information, and you can consult. And also we have Ruijie community to provide values of technical answers here. For example, we have so many videos to tell you how to do the configuration, and most of your questions can find your answers here. For example,
Everyone, welcome to Ruijie in 3 Minutes How to series. In this video, we'll...
And here there are different languages. And also here topics, there are more than 3,000 topics here, but because of my internet, so I can show you here at this moment. Okay, the most interesting here. Let's create your first project. Okay, here we come to the question: how long it takes you to make a project configuration? Let's start. Okay. Here you can find, I have 4 demos here, and you can find in maybe 10 minutes, no, 10 seconds, you can find all the devices here. Now let's start. For example, project name, maybe it's Office. And sorry, it dropped again. Okay. Okay, let's use the demo. Here, we have a demo here. Let's try it. I'm sorry for my internet. Sometimes it's not stable here. So let's try the demo here. But it's the same. Okay, let's start. Now we can find this Ruijie list SSID, and we can connect. Here you can find it all the devices here, and you don't need to manually to scan them one by one. If all the devices are Ruijie brand, it can be detected all by itself in maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, let's start configuration. Office. Here we can choose also the different sceneries, and the app will recommend you the network setting. Office. Okay, next. Okay. Here we can find a speed test. You can test by yourself the speed test here. Okay, let's test. Next. Okay. Fish. Okay. Now we can connect the Wi-Fi, and we can enter it here. We can find different our toolkits, different functions here. For example, if your customers call you that, oh, I have a problem with my network now, but I'm in another city. Oh, what shall we do? It doesn't matter. Here you can find share. So you can your clients can just show the project to you, and you can do all the things with this project on your app and anywhere. And also, if your customers tell you something wrong with my network as well, but it takes 1 day to travel to on site, doesn't matter. Here you can find diagnose. Firstly, we recommend use this optimize, and then if the problem is not solved, we can use the diagnose. Because it's a demo, so I can enter it. You can try it on your app, and also you can when you have the project, you can try. And also here, loop prevention. Okay, we can enter it because it is just a demo. If for example, if there's any problems with your network of your clients, don't worry. You will get a notice. For example, a camera is down, and also if you generated a report here, for example, you can find the report here. You can just click it and generate a report, and then you can change your name, change your company logo, and send to customers. You don't need to take 1 day to design and to figure out with all the specifications and the logic. And what if the customer call you, something wrong with my network, but I don't know why? Then here, if the loop prevention function is on, if the network is in loop, so it doesn't matter. And also you will find a notice here as well. And then you can enter this switch, and you can find which port is in loop. You can just call your clients, just unplug this the cable of this port and refresh it, and that's all. You don't need to go on site. It saves a lot of time and a lot of money. Okay. Here, let's back to the main here. Here you can find a show project. It's a demo in China, so we can find some functions here. It's on the cloud. Here you can find the actual topology. Yeah, you can view all the information here. What if your customer tell you, like one of my cameras is offline, but you don't know the reason? What would you do? Does that matter? When you enter this switch, here we can find different port here. Just ask the you just find out which port is connected with the camera and reboot it, and everything is okay. Here you can find also loop prevention here, and also long-term distance transmission. We can extend to 200 meters if it's a CCTV project. If you want to reboot the total switch, you don't need to click Y as well. Here, you can just click reboot, and it will be reboot in about 30 seconds. Here is a block. It's an advanced block function here. For example, you can just put remarks, for example, Office 1, and then input the range of the IP address segment, and then choose a blocked application list. Here we have all the applications that you usually use. For example, Google, Facebook, Twitter. Okay. So now they are blocked. And also you can also find here block periods. We can just book a work weekdays and save. Oh, we don't have IP here, so we can add different groups here and also. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think all the introduction is finished. Do you have any questions about this app? I think you can, if you can just play with this app. There are many, you can discover it. There are many different functions here. If you have the demo equipment, it will be better. You can feel it real, and you can know more about this powerful application. For example, here, I think it gets Wi-Fi. Yeah, I think it's for other vendors. Maybe it's an advanced function. You need to pay for it. But if you use Ruijie devices, it's lifetime free, and there's no limit, no any controls. Okay, I think we finished this introduction. Do you have any questions?
Thank you, Felix. At the moment, we don't have any question. Someone asked us to add him to the WhatsApp group, and we'll be contact you, Mr. Let me check.
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Group Chat will be contacting you directly. But then if someone else may have a question, please let us know. Thank you, Felix,
Yeah.
for this amazing
Thank you.
information about the Ruijie app. Now
Yeah,
we have
if
the app again. Yes.
Okay, if anyone forget checking, please scan the QR code so that we could keep in touch. And if you have any questions, you can contact me by WhatsApp.
Thank you, Felix. Okay, so let's leave that on the screen for about a minute, and then if someone else may have a question, or if you have a project coming up, we have our engineering team ready to help you. We can help you plan your next project, as well as we can also help you with any other issue that you may have, or if you want to add video surveillance, radio communication, we are ready to help you. So I think now, I guess we are ready to finish the webinar, Felix, and we thank you for your time.
Thank you all. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Victor. Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you, Felix. Everyone, thank you for your time this morning. This webinar will be sent to your email right after we finish. As well, please keep checking our website as well as our YouTube channel, where you can find all of these webinars for your review. Thank you again for your time, and have a great day.